Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Good evening, volleyball enthusiasts! Nasa pang last game na tayo para sa ating regional Rebisco Volleyball League. It's the match between the Integrated School versus the Mount School of Infanta. So let's see kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo dito sa last game na ito.
Yes, we're kind of ang dalawa doon sa kanilang unang laro against the Naga College Foundation. And as for this last game, tignan natin kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. So let's see, it's the matchup of the Dire Wolves Santa Elena Integrated School versus the Mount Carmel School of Infanta for our first set here. Now let's see, as jersey number 14 to serve.
Chance for Mount Carmel here to score, and first point will go on the side of Mount Carmel.
Ayan nga, Rick, dun sa unang laro dito ng ating Carmel against the NCF. Kulang sila dito sa ating floor defense, pero napakaganda din dahil against the Santa Elena, naka 2 digits itong ating Mount Carmel against the Naga College Foundation. So let's see kung maganda ba yung kanilang magiging laban dito against the Santa Elena. And that's 2 straight points coming from their team. Now let's see what will happen on the side of the Santa Elena.
Great attack coming from side of Mount Carmel, finding that side corner of the court. And this time, ace naman ang bibitawan dito on their side, coming from Orozco.
Orozco again to serve the ball here. 3 straight points coming from the side of the Mount. This time, it's an error. Nabigyan ng pagkakataon itong Santa Elena to gain a point here for our first set.
Now let's see on the side of the Dire Wolves kung makakakuha na sila dito ng magandang momentum, but unfortunately service error on the side of their team. As we can see right now, the side of Mount Carmel is just enjoying the game, while on the side of the Dire Wolves medyo nagkakaroon ng mga miscommunication, so kailangan nila ditong mag-regroup and to loosen up at this moment.
And another point from the side of the Mount Carmel here. 1-5 on our scoreboard. Again, jersey number 14 to serve. Too strong on that one. So a bonus point para dito sa Dire Wolves. Now jersey 11 serving.
Ball still alive, Jaws at the net, and the point will go on the side of Mount Carmel.
Nagiging smooth lang dito yung pagpuntos ng ating dalawang koponan. Mount Carmel on the lead here of 4 points. And that's a service ace coming from Pita with the help of the net there.
So 5-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Mount Carmel. Chance for their team to score. Orozco setting up her teammate. Ladislao setting up. Ball still alive. Belga with that cross-court hit. Belga on the deck to serve para sa kanilang koponan. Kailangan nila dito na magandang atake.
No. Ball is still alive here. Orozco sets it up. And they get it. With a 5-point lead here on our first set. Jersey number 9 now to serve. At pasok na pasok pa yan. A service ace coming from Picardal.
So Mount Carmel really enjoying this game. That's why mapapatawag ng timeout ang side ng Santa Elena Integrated School. 9-3 on our scoreboard, and the lead is on the side of Mount Carmel.
At ayan nga Rick, maganda yung pagsimula dito sa side ng Mount Carmel. And ito yung kailangan talaga nilang i-improve dito sa kanilang kupunan. While on the other side, the Direwolves medyo nahihirapan doon sa mga atakeng ibinibigay dito ng Mount Carmel. So they need to strengthen their floor defense now. Dahil medyo maliit pa naman yung kalamangan dito ng Mount Carmel at kaya pa nilang habulin as we continue here for our set number 1. And it's still the Mount Carmel's serve here. Jersey number 9 on the service line. And in! A service ace again here para dito kay Picardal.
What a nice service ace. Back-to-back service aces for her. Let's see one more time for that. And another good serve. A chance ball ang ibibigay dito on the side of Mount Carmel. Orozco. Miscommunication pero nagawa ng paraan. Chance for the Devils but unfortunately straight to the net attack.
Now Mount Carmel dominating this first set against the Santa Elena. Picardal again. Nice serve. Now Pasco bibigyan ng free ball itong Mount Carmel. Orozco sets it up on the other side. And that's good. Having a back-to-back point from the side of the Mount Carmel. 3-12. 9-point lead here. Picardal. Nice serve.
Ball will go on the side of Mount Carmel. And Picarda with that attack. Very successful in that hit.
Straight through the net para dito sa Mount Carmel. 5-13. Still an 8-point lead here. A service error coming from the side of the Direwolves. 5-14. Jersey number 6 now to serve.
Orozco setting up her middle. Nice reaction para kay Belga. Chance for their team to score. Ball still alive. Another free ball para sa Mount Carmel. Orozco in her middle. We have a long rally here, Tien. Ladislao setting up her teammate. No good.
A 10-point lead of the Mount Carmel. Free ball ibibigay dito. Orozco sets it up again. Another free ball. Now let's see if Santa Elena can get a point here. Orozco. Ball is still alive. One more time for the Mount Carmel. Free ball ang ibibigay dito. And they lose it after that long rally.
So miscommunication on the side of Mount Carmel. So point on the side of the Santa Elena. Belga setting up that ball.
Now a substitution on the side of the Mount Carmel. Nyosa, pasok dito para sa ating Blazing Sword. 6:16 on our scoreboard. Halfway through ito ating Mount Carmel. Now jersey number 3.
Ladislao setting up her teammate, giving up a free ball. Orozco to Junyosa. But the point will go on the side of Mount Carmel. So merong touch on that last attack coming from Junyosa. So napakagandang point conversion off the bench para dito kay Junyosa on the side of and miscommunication between Belga and jersey number 8 on the side of the Direwolves.
Now 7 points away itong ating Mount Carmel on getting this first set. Jersey number 3 again to serve. Up until now, nahihirapan itong Santa Elena to convert a point here. Now a free ball was given pero medyo malakas yon. So another point for the side of the Blazing Sword. Medyo hindi na gumagalaw the side ng Direwolves. But with that error on the side of the Mount Carmel, nabigyan ng chance itong ating Santa Elena to regain again. At paunti-unting kunin yung kanilang puntos at kalamangan ng Mount Carmel.
A nice move coming from Junyosa. Talagang nagpakuha lang siya ng touch on that last play, finding the smaller blocker on the side of Santa Elena. Now Orozco on that service line. Four more points on getting the set number 1 on the side of Mount Carmel.
21-37.
Now, Belga will try. Orozco. And Junyosa again. What a great substitution on the side of Mount Carmel. Junyosa talagang sunod-sunod dito ang puntos. 22-7 on our scoreboard. Belga. And Santa Elena will give a free ball. Pero puntos for their side. 8-22.
Now, 3 puntos na lamang dito sa Mount Carmel. Pero medyo pinapahirapan ko sila dito ng Santa Elena. Now, Gagan, jersey number 8. Pasok dito sa south side ng Mount Carmel. Jersey number 2 to serve. Ball still alive here. Jersey number 9 to attack. But Verano.
Ball is out. Point for Santa Elena.
And that's an outside para dito kay Verano. 9-22. At sunod-sunod na nga yung naging error dito ng Mount Carmel with that service ace of the Santa Elena. 10-22. 3 puntos na lamang sa Mount Carmel pero pinapahirapan po sila dito ng Santa Elena sa sunod-sunod na pagpuntos nila sa ating set number 1. But this time, change of momentum again as it is a service error coming from jersey number 2.
It's now 23 serving pair.
Verano. Soft touch there, Gagan. Pero Nakuha. 11-23. Jersey number 11 now of Santa Elena. Nagkakagawan pa dito, but ball still alive here. Santa Elena with that error.
Ball in. Point for Mount Carmel. Set point, Mount Carmel.
And with that set point here. Now will the Mount Carmel get the set number 1? Ball is still alive here. Gagan. Soft touch there. And that's it. The Mount Carmel gets the first set. 25-11. And we will be back for our second set of the matchup of the Santa Elena Integrated School and the Mount Carmel School of Infanta. Only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth.
Ayan, we are back for our second set. Again, matchup between the Mount Carmel and the Santa Elena. On that first set nga nakuha dito ng Mount Carmel ang set na yon. And let's see on this second set kung patuloy bang aarangkada at magpapanalo ba nila ang game na ito, or will the Santa Elena get the second set? But on that sequence, service ace para dito sa Mount Carmen.
Now Mount Carmel again to serve. Pasqua.
Orozco setting up Boerano. Belga. Nice dig. And Ladislao guarding that net on the side of their team. So we are all tied up at 1.
Our score is 1 for Santa Elena, another is 1 for Mount Carmel School of Infanta.
Nobody's home on the last sequence. Para dito sa Dire Wolf.
Santa Elena 1.
Ladislao not getting that ball. And now Orozco for that service. Pasqua setting up Belga. Chance for the Mount Carmen here to score. Orozco setting up Boerano. Andon ang blockers ng Direwolf. But Minga medyo kinapos on that attempt.
Yan Rick, shoutout din tayo dito kay Sir Balbalosa, Andre Arimado, Eliza Micaela Bonyon, Rain Bantilan at Mia Datario na talagang patuloy ang pag-antabay dito sa matchup ng Mount Carmel Integrated School at Santa Elena Integrated School para dito sa ating second set. And of course, shoutout kay Jillian Magalia, 4-1 on our scoreboard. 3 puntos na kalamangan against the Santa Elena.
Chance for the Mount Carmen to score. Boerano. Nice dig coming from Ladislao. Minga will try. Ball still alive. And Pita with that drop ball. So another point conversion on the side of Mount Carmen. 5-1 on our scoreboard. Free ball ang ibibigay dito sa Santa Elena. Pasqua setting up Belga. Ball is still alive. Muntik pa ngang makascore doon ang Santa Elena. Now Belga will give a free ball. Orozco setting up jersey number 9. Ball is still alive. But Minga couldn't handle that ball well.
It's now 6, serving 1.
Serving 1 here. Mount Carmel. That 5-point lead here for our second set.
Orozco setting up Boerano in the middle. Belga will give a free ball. Mount Carmen. No good para kay Pita. Too strong on that attack.
The score stands at 2-6.
Orozco to Boerano with that off-speed hit.
Verano with her height advantage. Kailangan pang mas mabigyan dito ng opportunity itong si Verano to really get a point here. Now with a 5-point lead, let's see what will happen on the side of the Direwolves.
Orozco setting up her teammate. At nagkatinginan nga doon si Talagtag and Belga. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng Santa Elena. What would be the adjustment on their side? Because again, Mount Carmen, paunti-unti dito nagbe-build ng gap against the Santa Elena. So let's see on the timeout kung anong magiging payo sa kanilang mga coaches.
Yes, and will there be changes on the side of Santa Elena? It's their problem since the game with the NCF Tiger. And of course, at first set, will there be changes on their side that medyo mahina pa yung defense dito ng ating Tarwolves, and they need to step up to get this set at para makapunta tayo sa decided number 3. Now Verano to serve here, 8-2 on our scoreboard. Now a soft touch there. Ball still here. Roscoe sets it up.
Ball in. Point for Santa Elena. Into the school.
So, double touches ang itatawag doon on that last sequence para dito sa Mount Carmen. Masyadong dikit sa net, kaya mahihirapan doon si jersey number 6 para gawa ng paraan ng set na yun. Now, Santa Elena, slowly but surely. Mahabol but Belga.
Point for Mount Carmel, 9-7-5. Mopper, please.
Nine 5 on our scoreboard. 4 na puntos yung trabaho dito ng Mount Carmel.
So, Mopper, dito ka na lang. Yeah, dito na lang. Kasi madalas yan magtapas yung ano. Thank you.
Pasqua rather. No good na Orozco. Ball still alive. Orozco will give a free ball. Talagtag. Now Pasqua. A bit of miscommunication on the side of Santa Elena. So again, no room for error on the side of Santa Elena kasi sila po dito ang naghahabol para sa ating second set. And also, they are down by 1 set dito sa ating laro. Now, Orozco setting up her teammate. Nice reaction. Ball still alive. We have a long rally here. Pasqua setting up talagtag.
Now, 10-6. Napakaganda no ating long rally. Now, that's what Santa Elena needs right now. They need to recover from this set number 1 loss. And now, with a cup of the Mount Carmel here.
Ladislao And her team giving him a free ball. Orozco to her middle, pababawiin. And makakabawi nga dito.
Successful middle attack.
Combalter with that attack.
Of Mount Carmel, it's now 11, serving 6.
And a powerful attack coming from jersey number 3 on the side of Mount Carmen.
Santa Elena, integrated school, 6.
12-6 on our scoreboard. And a service ace
Service ace.
para dito
Santa Elena, 6.
sa ating Mount Carmen.
13.
Talagtag will give a free ball. Orozco setting up her middle.
Another middle attack from number 6 of Mount Carmel School of Infanta. It's now 14, serving.
Patuloy-tuloy ang pagpuntos dito ng Mount Carmel. Way through out that on getting their win this evening. Now Pasqua sets it up.
And nice rejection coming from jersey number 6.
It's now 15, serving 6. Another service ace from number 9 of Mount Carmel School. It's now 16.
16-6. 10-point lead of the Mount Carmel here. Siyam na puntos na lamang to get their win here. Talagtag with a ball. Now jersey number 13. Another free ball from the side of the Mount Carmel. Santa Elena to attack. And the point will go on the side of the Blazing here as they continue to dominate this second set.
Now 17, serving 6.
Free ball dito.
Orozco setting up jersey number 3. So 4 touches ang itatawag dito sa Mount Carmen School of Infanta. Now talagtag on the deck to serve. Service error for her. So point conversion
It's now 18,
on the side of Mount Carmen. Percasio will give a free ball. Orozco. Nice dig coming from Direwolf side. Talagtag. Pipe attack. No good. Ladislao setting up her teammate. What a great floor defense on the side of their team. But this time, Santa Elena making sure na makakakuha sila ng puntos.
18-8, another 10-point lead here. Direwolves. Jersey number 14. Now Orozco sets it up to set number 3. Nagkakagawa dito sa side ng Direwolves. Now let's see as we continue this matchup. But the point will go on the side of the Mount Carmel. Well, that net touch, crucial error para dito sa ating Direwolves. With that, they're just 6 points away on getting the set number 2 and their win this evening. With the help of the net, Direwolves talagtag get that point.
Which brings us to the score of 9-19.
19-9.
Nice down the line hit coming from Pita. 29 on our scoreboard. 5 more points para dito sa Mount Carmel to secure their first win here. Service error, unfortunately, para sa Mount Carmel.
Now, 5 points away itong ating Mount Carmel, pero pinapahirapan pa sila dito ng Direwolves. Jersey number 8 to serve. Now, free ball ibibigay dito. Pasqua. To the other side. Babawi dito sa Mount Carmel. Talagtag with a free ball. Verano to attack. Gets that point. And down with just 4 points.
Now 21, serving 10.
And with that, a timeout was called on the side of the Santa Elena Integrated School. Direwolves, 21-10 on our scoreboard. 4 na puntos na lamang dito sa ating Mount Carmel on getting that set number 2. Pero mukhang hahabol pa itong ating Santa Elena Integrated School. We never know. So after this timeout, they really need to get their game together if they really wanted to lessen that big gap of the Mount Carmel.
Back to the game. 4 more points para sa Mount Carmel to secure their first win here sa ating Rebisco Volleyball League. While on the side of Santa Elena, they need to step up big time and iwasan ang unforced error.
It's now 14 out, 12 in. Number 12 of Mount Carmel School in the serve.
Minga will try. Straight to the net attack coming from Talagtag. Again, nabanggit ko kanina na kailangan ditong bawasan ang error na nako-comment on the side of Santa Elena. Minga setting up Belga. Andon si Orozco. Ladislao and Belga will give a free ball. Pasqua setting up Belga.
Minga with that error. And with that 23 serving 10 on our scoreboard here. 2 points away itong ating Mount Carmel on getting their win. Now let's see if they can do it with this last sequence. Free ball bibigay dito ng Santa Elena. Mount Carmel on the attack. Jersey number 6 gets it. And with that, match point na tayo dito. And the Carmel with that 1 point, they can win this matchup against the Santa Elena this evening. Now let's see. They can do it one last time. Ball is still alive here. Talagtag on the outside. And that's it. That's the final of this matchup of the Mount Carmel Integrated School versus the Santa Elena. With a score of 25-10, they got 2 straight set here. At bukas ang patuloy-tuloy na match up dito ng ating mga schools. Kaya abangan po natin bukas ulit ang Naga College Foundation, Mount Carmel Integrated School or School of Infanta at ang ating Santa Elena Integrated School dito sa nagpapatuloy na Rebisco Volleyball League. And of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanza Reyes.
And I'm Rick Puerta. Tutok lamang for more actions dito sa Regional Rebisco Volleyball League. Live only at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.